Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny and Foodbytes apps inside. Today we need to developing this here the home screen inside the friend sections we need to develop here. First of all, we need to see this design inside the XD files. Need to show here like here's need to scroll down and making like this here the UI. We need to draw inside the home screens. Now how to create inside the this code. First of all, we need to go inside the home tabs and we need to copy this section with this code data. Copy here, paste this here. Now need to change this here the titles as a friends, and we need to set here the 56. Now we need to create here the friend UI. We need to developing this here the set here the pics. Heights we need to set this here the 60, and we need to create here the cell image assets. Set here the copy this relative path, paste this here. Need to set here the width 60, height 60, and fit box fit cover like here. Save image, create here the clip or rect, set here the border radius circulars. We need to set this here the 30. Save here and show like this here the UI. Need to creating here and show here this UI. Now we need to convert into the common widgets. First of all, need to go here for this UI and select here home and to create here the new files friend cell dot dots, create here the stateful widgets stateless widgets friend cell, and we need to import this here the material dependency. Now need to go home screens and need to cut this here the UI and paste this code, convert into the inkwell jets inkwell on tab event, set here the some configurations final map object, and we need to set this here the final void callback on press and import this here's parameters, and to write down here the on press event, and we need to set the object dot image like here's, save this here these configurations, and first of all making here the dynamic. How to create map friend list, we need to create here friends array, create here the image semicolon list like here. We need to get here the image, copy relative path, paste this here, copy here, set here the two friend 3, high, set here the pi. Again, so need to copy and paste this list. Save here. Now need to go inside the friend array and to creating here the dynamic. Set here the length, and we need to set here, click here, clean here. Need to set here the friend cells, and to give this here the object friend array index of value on press event like here. Need to save here, and we need to restart this here. Maybe issue with here. Need to check here the logs for not found. Need to 6 and restart. And look like this here the show. Maybe we need to decrease this here the width and heights. Need to set here the 50. Save, and again so need to go set here the 10 like here, and we need to go print cell, set here the 50, save here, and look like this here the show of this list. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.